welcome back to Decor. Today, we're exploring inspiring craft room decor ideas that encourage creativity while keeping supplies beautifully organized. Whether you enjoy painting, sewing, scrapbooking, or DIY projects, a thoughtfully designed craft room can make every creative session more enjoyable and productive. Before we begin, please subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share your favorite craft room ideas in the comments below. Let's get inspired together. A craft room should feel uplifting and energizing. Soft whites, warm neutrals, pastel shades, or cheerful accent colors can create a welcoming atmosphere that inspires creativity. Choose colors that reflect your personal style while providing a clean backdrop for your projects and supplies. Open shelves provide easy access to craft materials while adding decorative appeal. Display baskets, jars, books, and colorful supplies in an organized way that feels both practical and visually pleasing. Well-styled shelving can transform everyday storage into part of the room's decor. Transparent containers make it easy to identify supplies without opening every box. Store beads, ribbons, paints, fabrics, and tools in labeled clear bins to reduce clutter and save time. This simple solution helps maintain organization while keeping creativity flowing smoothly. A comfortable workstation serves as the heart of any craft room. Select a sturdy desk or table with enough surface area for projects, cutting, assembling, and creating. Proper workspace planning helps maximize efficiency and keeps creative ideas moving forward. Pegboards offer flexible storage for frequently used tools and supplies. Scissors, rulers, brushes, thread spools, and crafting accessories can be neatly arranged on the wall within easy reach. This solution saves valuable desk space while adding visual interest. Labels bring order and consistency to storage solutions. Coordinated labels on baskets, drawers, and containers make it easier to find materials and maintain organization over time. Attractive labeling also contributes to a polished and professional-looking craft room. Rolling carts provide mobile storage that can move wherever it's needed. Organize supplies by project type or category and easily reposition them around the room. This flexible approach keeps essential tools accessible without crowding the workspace. Good lighting is essential for detailed creative work. Position workstations near windows whenever possible and supplement with task lamps for evening projects. A bright environment improves visibility, reduces eye strain, and enhances the overall atmosphere. An inspiration board allows you to display color palettes, sketches, fabric samples, photos, and project ideas. Whether using a corkboard, magnetic board, or framed display, this feature keeps creative goals visible and encourages new artistic directions. A supportive chair enhances comfort during long crafting sessions. Look for ergonomic seating that complements the room's decor while providing proper support. Comfort plays an important role in maintaining focus and enjoyment during creative activities. Grouping supplies into categories creates a more efficient workflow. Keep paints together, sewing materials in one area, paper products in another, and specialty tools nearby. Organized zones reduce distractions and help maintain a tidy environment. Personalized decor makes the craft room feel inspiring and uniquely yours. Display artwork, framed prints, vintage finds, plants, or handmade creations that reflect your personality. These decorative details can boost motivation and make the space more enjoyable to use. Vintage-inspired cabinets, antique baskets, distressed finishes, and repurposed furniture can add character while providing functional storage. Combining timeless style with practical organization creates a craft room that feels both beautiful and highly usable. A well-designed craft room balances creativity, comfort, and organization to support every project you undertake. By incorporating smart storage, inspiring decor, and functional work areas, you can create a space that encourages imagination while keeping supplies neatly arranged. If you enjoyed these ideas, please subscribe to Decor, give this video a like, and share your favorite craft room decorating tip in the comments. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.